What's going on, YouTube? This is day 8 of road to getting my first payout ever with Apex Trader funding. So far, the last few weeks have been absolutely brutal. Been on a slight losing streak so far, and I'm still trying to bounce back from it and dealing with a lot of psychological issues that I've been noticing, not so much in trading, but just more of thoughts that I've been having outside of trading about trading. So in this video, we're just gonna go ahead and recap day 8, what kind of happened, and I talk a little bit about something I've been developing, which is closing conditions, and I show you a little bit about how I've been going about writing my trading plan out every week. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into today's recap.
All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the pre-markup of the markets today. So what we're looking at is we're looking for a little structure, a little breakout to the up or downside. We're going to draw a little box on ES. I'm going to say the exact same thing for NQ. All right, I'm waiting for a breakout of either one of these before I even look to trade any of them. And then gold, which is a very interesting contender here, right? See, being that we're getting a breakout lower right here. Let's look at the 1 hour and see what we see. So the 1 hour, we see rejecting up, make this new low, make this new high. So first things first, structure came, right? Started to kind of range a little bit, then broke below, and came up again, failed to make a new high, and now it's threatening to make new lows. So it's going to be risky here, but if we take sells, we're going to need 3 things to line up for us. We're going to need fib, some sort of key level on the 15, and we're going to need to be below VWAP. The key level on the 15 may be right here, where all of these rejections are. This may be a little minor level that we could potentially play a sell off of and end the day early. I could see highs being put above here and lows being kind of put back down here, depending on how this 15 closes. Also, depending on how this 15 closes, we can also have a potential wick fill. But this is a level that I could see. Cool, it's rejected here. We could draw it across if we choose to, right? We draw it across if we choose to. This is a zone that bounced off, gave a little minor pullback, broke through, came back up here, retested, kind of faded a little bit, came to retest it again, kind of faded a little bit, broke above, and you could say kind of used it as another retest to kind of move more upwards. Came back down here, retested it exactly, retested it again, and then proceeded to break through. So this may not be a high or a really strong level, but I can tell you one thing: there has been a lot of volume traded in these areas right here. And I'm not gonna assume, right? I'm gonna pull out this volume. What is it? No, not this. I think it's a literal tool. Is it here? So I was close. I was pretty close. But as you can see, it's a nice little area that's traded a lot of volume that I'm going to look to sell. I obviously want to see this candle close more bearish than this, of course. All right, who wants to see it not? Right? But depending on what, I am not looking at ES or NQ until it breaks highs and lows, and I probably okay. So coming back to it, this does not look very good. I don't know. We're just kind of playing in the middle of the range. We'll see what's kind of going on. NQ, ES, not really too interested in anything with those right now. As of right now, I am kind of interested in the sells on gold. I like this as a key level. It's hard to see a fib here, but I could clearly see a fib right here playing out. That's something else that I'm quite interested in. But I'm not liking how this 15 is closing, because it's closing in 2 minutes, and I really don't like it if it closes like that, honestly. So I want to see it kind of come down a little something before just go ahead and, you know, pop an entry right there. I'm gonna remove this from now. Patient day. Always gonna bring up what is my my trading plan for the day, so I can always keep that in the top of my head. Because at the end of the day, if you don't follow your trading plan, I mean, you're cooked. I keep looking over here like there's a camera here when it's not. It's over here. Anyway, let's look at our trading plan. Which one is it? Is it this one? No, that's yesterday. Maybe it's this one. It's definitely this one. Entitled draft. Cool. So, we can make this a wee bit bigger. So, basically, it's very simple. These are the 3 confluences I need to get into a trade. This was just kind of me doing the math of how much I'm risking. Make sure I'm risking $200 per trade, which is fair. Yesterday I risked 200, so I'm following my trading plan so far. Take profit at the most recent highs or lows. For buys, most recent highs. Sells, most recent lows. Closing conditions, it's very simple. If price breaks through a key level with volume, like it kind of did yesterday, well, depending on what time frame you look at, which is crazy, but it's whatever. And also, if price rejects an entry zone, but then comes back and breaks structure. So kind of looking like if price was to do this, kind of reject here, and I got my entry here, and then it came up, and then it kind of like came back down and broke through. That's where I'm initially getting out. So those are my trading plans for the week, and yeah. Now let's get back to it. Yo.
I'm gonna take it back to the lows that said 455s.
Yeah, I'm in it now. I got in.
Oh yeah, added more pairs on here.
Yeah, some people who had bought kind of asked for it, so I just kind of helped put them in.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good. It's good they're giving you like feedback and stuff.
Yeah. So I caught an entry right at 64.7. Kind of get down on that one.
Where's the reward you targeting?
I'm targeting, essentially, first one is at the bottom, but I'm looking to hold past to like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3-ish. Now the reason I'm gonna close this trade, if it was, is if this 5 minute just kind of blows to this level.
Yeah, this trade might be imbalanced for me. I liked it if it kind of held this level. So I'm trying to see if we get a wick back or anything. So
yeah, depending on what happens on this 5 minute, I'm gonna move my stop right at the top of that. It's early trading day these last 2 days, man. For at least for me. You seen something else you like, Evan?
Nah, this is really the best how I see it. I just wanted to
wait a little bit.
Blows below, because if you look, I like this level at 463. This is a solid 30-minute level. That price respected multiple times. And we got about 6 minutes of 30-minute closes, but with that huge wick to the downside, just kind of waiting it out, trying to see what's going down.
Gotcha.
But yeah, if we can get a pretty good close on this next 5 minute, I'll go ahead and enter shorts down here. We did for that weekend, which is a good sign.
I'm gonna go ahead and write my reasonings for taking it to trade right now. So you can get me tapping away, bro. I promise you it's not my bowl, dog. I'm gonna be munching on that cereal. Hey, bro, you don't eat cereal like that, don't you?
Nah, not anymore. I used to. I used to go crazy on that Cinnamon Toast Crunch, though.
I remember you said that, man. Yeah.
I hit the spot every time, bro.
Hey, where would you place your take profit, matter of fact?
I would go to that low at 455s.
455. 455. Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, so like entry, that's where I put them going to, because for like where my entry was supposed to be, that's around 8 points.
Gotcha.
So at 8 points, I could risk like 3, so I'm still a good 1 to 3 over 1 to 3 risk to reward. You do it from a high at 472.
I drew it from the most recent one. I don't like that pullback though. I drew it from the most recent one at 467 to 460 on the 5. Oh shit. Yeah, that shit was a tick away from getting me out. That's crazy.
Oh, you said that?
That shit was a tick away from stopping me out.
You really turned into a scalper for real, G. Trailing the stop, Real simple project. Boy said the scalping like for him.
I'm gonna move it right here. Cause if you come back up, you keep pressuring me, bro. Just give up, man. God damn. Like it's trying to test my gangster, trying to like knock me out the trade, bro. Just give up, bro. Stop coming after me, man. Just give up.
Yeah, look like it's holding this 30-minute level.
Is it the 30 minute support you was talking about?
Yeah, it's holding that level tough on all time frames.
Fair. I'll just, if it stops me out, I'll just take it off on the chin.
On the 30, you held 15, swept the lows and pushed back up. The 5 minute got a little break below, broke above, and when we retested back down off that 950 all-time candle, that level held it and it's pushing back up.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be no entry trade for me.
Yeah, I'll take a small loss.
Oh, just don't want to pay the bills anymore. What's going on?
I'm saying, bro, just being complicated, dog.
You know what I see though? Inversion.
Yes, man. What do you see on gold?
Gold 5 minute. Them lows at 463. Sweat. Boom, boom, boom. On top of that, it's a 30-minute level. May have some.
You may have something to the upside for real.
A lot of liquidity to the upside. 4-hour level at 476.
I kind of want to see it break.
487.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I kind of want to see it break 47 and like retest that. You know what I'm saying? That inversion right there.
47.
Not 47, 67. My bad. On the 5. Yeah, I want to see if it breaks that and then like kind of get a retest like at the bottom of 65 or at the bottom of that or the top of that little inversion right there. Here we go. Let's see what we got going on. 102. This week was a lot of fake outs for me, boy. That's crazy.
One little piece of advice I'll give you, bro, this was kind of helped me avoid those, is in 15 and 30 minute confluences. Past few weeks, they've helped me avoid a lot of losses.
Instead of 15 and 30?
Yeah, if you took a 30 minute on gold, I'm not sure if you consider this a solid, but I consider this a pretty solid level at 463 on gold on the 30 minute. To me, that's a real solid level. And so I was waiting to see if price would kind of go below that 463 level. If you look all the way back to what day is this? July 16th. I just marked a little July 16th. All the way across, we got multiple rejections. So I saw we came down to there. I was like, we don't hold here. We probably can go back bullish.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that same level too.
Like, clean. And so I feel like that one little thing, that's what helped me avoid this loss. Because I'm like, all right, let's see how this 30-minute acts. Saw a huge wig and started pulling back. So like, no, it's not a trade I can take. Yeah, even on the 15 now, that level looked pretty solid. If you go back to that July 16th level and just draw it all the way across. I see that gold did break 67. I would be possibly interested in if we get a little retest and it still looks solid. Because that was also a 15-minute close and made shit good as well. It wasn't like it was a 5. It was got a huge wick. So the 30-minute rejected that level. 15 closed as a very solid bullish engulfing. In my opinion, all you would need is a little wick back, a little wick fill, like 465. And this is one obvious you taking win or loss. Damn, it don't even matter.
Nah, I don't know.
Like the 5 minutes trying to take off, but never mind.
Yeah, you probably gonna get that wick fill at 65 before anything.
Yeah, he just kind of made that same little move. I had a feeling gonna push up, but it don't look as clean to me to take interest off of that red. He just rejected that 30 and 1 hour left and pushed up. I don't really see any entry opportunities on this. So yeah, my eyes just don't go today.
I'm a boy that Jones might be leaving. Not might. It may have just left the station. Shit.
I think he did, bro. I think he did. Yeah, it's breaking us a little minor highs at 69. Yeah, bro. Go ahead and chalk it up.
Nothing going, bro.
That be the thing. I be high in the setups, but I might not always get an injury on these. Will you notice something?
Yeah.
Well,
It's too late now, but going to 15. I know why I lost this trade as well too. And I know why the 30-minute also did that as well too. You go on to 15. You look at that level around 62. And you just look left, you see all them times it rejected that, and then once it did reject, the last time it rejected it, kicked up to the upside drastically.
yeah, that's the level I am. I pretty much marked out that 62 to 63 level.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I really wanted to see like a strong close. I saw like 30 minutes was just looking real nasty. On 30 to 15 wasn't looking too good either. Oh, trade might not left the station. We might get some. I'll probably give this trade another 15, 20 minutes because we still kind of early, so we might get some right here.